It's how we evolved. It's just, it's
Exactly.
Life. And I brought it up the last time, going to the grocery store, just getting something off the shelf that's quick. There's a lack of that connect, that spiritual connection. So then, and even hunters now that may describe going out hunting elk or things like that, there's that when you hunt, and I don't hunt or anything, I can't really say, but you have that connection to the animal. You're cutting the meat, you're eating the meat. There's a whole process to it that is lacking when we're just going to the store and stuff like that. So,
and you see how much we're hurting spiritually as a civilization, right? There's a big disconnect. And so I think a lot of people are waking up to that, whether it's taking that kind of ancestral biology lens, you can apply it in so many ways.